I'm sorry to inform you guys, but I'll be making no more YouTube videos. Solely because I have been robbed. My laptop has been stolen. So there's no more videos. So guys, thanks ever so much for your support, and I'll see you in another live. I'm only joking. My laptop's downstairs getting fixed. So how are you all? I'm sorry, you guys. I'm so sorry. Didn't mean to scare you. I am making videos. I'm on day 49, bitches. And the weather's actually quite alright today. I give you like a weather report every day. It's like, hey guys, how are you all today? Well, the weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. And if you got no place to go, fuck off. Anyway guys, I'm going downstairs, fix my laptop, and then I might record afterwards. If not, I'm going to record tonight anyway, because it's Bonfire night tonight. Woo! Woo! So I'll probably record some fireworks if you can actually see them. Anyway guys, fix the laptop, goodbye. Right, I was just editing. I suck at talking, right? I'm just not going to talk. I'm joking. I'm going to spend this time for a shout out, because this person deserves it. As I was just saying before, I was just still reformatting my laptop, but I want to give a shout out to Rosie Chaos. Dun dun dun. Look, to Nick, love Rosie, smiley face. Let me just put it on the bed a sec. I open it up. What? 1 sec. There you go. Do you see me sign the CD? She loves me. So anyway guys, as I said, it's Rosie Chaos. CD came. She's pretty awesome. Her channel, she's got YouTube guys. Link's gonna be downstairs. It's like XXX Froggy XXX, something like that. But yes, the link's gonna be down below, downstairs, yeah. Go check her out, tell her she's doing a good job. You don't have to subscribe, just tell her she's having a good job, or doing a good job of singing. She's really talented. I love her to pieces. And I'm also going to put the link down to her website where you could buy her CD. It'd be much appreciated if you go and check them both links out, yeah? Okay? I'm going to go finish reformatting my laptop and maybe we'll get somewhere with it.
Big, brown and hairy. Yes, I'm talking
about...
Right,
you know what? That's going to be the title of this video. It's going to be Bonfire Night. It's big, brown, and what did they say?
Hairy. Big,
brown and hairy? No, it's not. Talk about gorillas, by the way. How was college? Crossway, mate. How was college?
Lol.
College was lol.
Rubbish.
College was lol and rubbish. I brought a Wii controller, so I'm going to play Wii with you tonight.
I like playing my Wii.
We like playing with our Wiis. We've even brought controllers to control it. Yes. And together we should rule the world with our pee. Anything you'd like to say before I turn it off?
Goodbye.
Yeah. That is pretty awesome, that song is. It's the album I showed you earlier from Rosie Chaos. So listen to something else. Yeah. Just texted her to let her know that she's got a new video out, guys, so you can check that out as well. Just listen, it's proper awesome. You get the picture, sorry, but you should go check her out, seriously. All the links are going to be downstairs, like I said. Just go check her out. Any whoozles. I think it's going to start to get dark. People are going to start letting off fireworks soon, so I'm going to try and catch some fireworks for you guys. Can you see that from here? Oh, you can. Right. There. 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 Where's that one from? Yeah. What? You tell me whereabouts it was from. Hey guys, I did promise you fireworks, and there was like 2, But as I can say, but you only could hear it. You can't actually see them. So I'm sorry for that, guys. So what me and Adam are going to do now? What we're going to do, Adam?
We're
going to play on the Wii for a bit because pass me my controller, please. That's my new controller. Brought a black one. And look, got a white back to it because I'm using those rechargeable ones you get with it. And Adam got them in white. They're mine. I'm not even looking at you anyway. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for the whole 81 of you that subscribed to me. Adam's going. So I'll pass you back to Adam.
And don't forget to follow.
What?
Don't forget to follow Dana White at twitter.com.
No, Adam. Stop advertising. Dana White, if you're watching this, send followers my way. Goodbye!
A wimbo, a wimbo, a wimbo. It's like the end of a film, isn't it? Hey, Mambo way.